Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the next day, starting a new vlog. I'm at a staycation. Can't wait to plug you guys on this place. It is so cute. Let me quickly charge my camera and I'll show you guys a quick penthouse tour.
I could pull up with the vibe, worth a million. Way I live my life, put my people on. Comfortable thing, but we wanna go harder. Lights really blurring, I reckon. Yeah. You know, say it be coffee season. More than your body, I be feeling. Only soft life, we be moving unbothered. No, they won't stop us. Everybody wanna be royal in it. They wanna show off in a Lamborghini. I know be rockstar, see the way man chillin'. For this lifestyle, see everybody wanna be. Don't underestimate me, see the vibe I'm giving. They know fi show love to the sea man winning. They know fi get crowned, but everybody wanna be.
Oh guys, I go kuhle apha san. Look at that for you. Kwaze kwakuhle guys, this is giving luxury penthouse. I will put all of the details of this penthouse in the description box just in case you want to book. This place is absolutely stunning. The views are breathtaking. Unfortunately it's raining, but I'll show you guys a glimpse. It's so dark outside, it's so gloomy, it's so rainy. Near as a Cape Town, but this place is absolutely stunning. Would highly recommend if you want to book.
Show up and show love, just show up and show love. Ooh, everybody wanna be royal. Just show up and show love, just show up and show love. She could pull up in a Rover, no one go there. This kind love make her one come over. This kind love make a brother keep focus. It's only yours and I love it. Screaming positive energy always. Work, no minimum wage. I'm away from the burn in my plate. Always give thanks when I'm making my plate. Oh, you know, say it be coffee season. More than your body, I be feeling. Only soft life, we be moving unbothered. No, they won't stop us. Everybody wanna be royal in it. They wanna show off in a Lamborghini. I know be rockstar, see the way man chill.
Good morning. So today I just woke up in paradise, literally. This place is so stunning. This is definitely a luxury penthouse in Cape Town, and it's so nicely priced. I cannot wait to plug you guys. I'll put all the information in the description box. This place is so beautiful. It's so breathtaking. I woke up early this morning because I wanted to see the place with natural lighting and everything. Yesterday it was a gloomy day. Today is still gloomy, raining. Yeah guys, literally Sanandivuge in paradise. You guys can even see my skin is skinning. That's just the lighting. That's just the good lighting. But just waking up here in this beautiful place, I feel so inspired, very inspired. I feel so grateful to have had the opportunity to experience a place this beautiful. So I'm just waking up with a grateful heart. Yeah, this is truly beautiful. Imagine sleeping to the sound of crashing waves, waking up to that same sound. It's just so calming and so relaxing. This is honestly amazing. Go December, if you want to book with your family, this is honestly the place to be. Yeah, this is not sponsored, by the way. This is just a plug. Yeah, this place is stunning. Honestly, beautiful. So beautiful, Kesana. my husband is sleeping. One thing about that man, he will sleep his life away, okay? He's sleeping. It's 9:22 right now. It is the 29th of September. And we have a jam-packed day today. And there's no for the festivities zanamhlanje. Basically, we have to go and run some errands because they are moving on. So we have to go run errands, get cleaning supplies, get food. Yeah, basically that's that. So when we check out of here, we're gonna go back home, drop our bags, and then go to Canal Walk to get our cleaning supplies and stuff, and then continue packing. We had to take this smallanyana escape before the chaos because packing, unpacking, sana siyagoa. Anyways, also don't mind how I look, sana. It's so cold here. Kuyabanda. So yeah. So that is what's on the agenda namhlanje. Also, vlog, you know, Vlogtober. Vlogtober. Vlogmas. No, it's not Vlogmas. Vlogtober. I want to participate this year, but I'm not gonna do videos weekly. I'm not gonna do videos daily. I'm gonna do videos weekly. So, yeah. I think it's 4 weeks, 5 weeks, and I'll post 5 videos this month, I think. That's the best I can do because I don't want to be delusional and then set goals for myself that I'm not going to reach, then need to be disappointed. Yeah, and another thing that gets me discouraged, I don't think I'm at a place where I can post every day because I don't even think you guys are interested that much in my vlogs for me to be posting like that every day. It's not that deep, so I'll do 1 video a week, and yeah, I'll try and be consistent about it. About Vlogtober, I've always wanted to do Vlogtober, but my first video is going live actually today, which is the empty apartment tour. So does that one count as Vlogtober? It doesn't. But I really want to put it up today because today it's a Sunday, so I want my posting schedule to be posting every Sunday. So I'll post it this Sunday, and then, but that means I need to posting a first, which is the beginning of October. Hey sana kuningi and ngiwani, you know. Angizobe ngiziphathisa ngekhanda about October stuff. But I'm excited to post the empty apartment tour. So I think I post on namhlanje. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I'll catch you guys later on when I'm doing something interesting. So, bye. Bye, Felicia.
Everybody wanna be. Don't underestimate me, see the vibe I'm giving. They know fi show love to the sea man winning. They know fi get crown, but everybody wanna be royal. Show love, show love. Everybody.
I look so rough. Moving is not for the faint-hearted. We're supposed to move at 10. Right now it's 6. And yeah, I have no words, but moving in now. ndidinwe ndiyagowa.
From there's actually heaps of furniture places, so I might pop into a few.
So now the dilemma is, how am I going to put all of these things in this small cupboards and this. That's all the storage I have. Oh.
The Kit Kat iced coffee from Hungry Jack's. Oh, okay, this very soon. That is so strong. I'm back at my old apartment, bro. This is so embarrassing, and I already look so bad as it is right now. But just having a bit of a moment because the coffee was so shit. No, I'm kidding. This apartment is the longest, best 3 years of my life. The best 3 years of my life have been in this apartment and in this building. And just like all the staff here, my property manager, the security, have just all been so nice to me.
Guys, I bought these things a while back. I just liked how they looked. I thought they're giving luxurious vibes. I don't know what to put in them. This is the size of them compared to my hand, and these are small ones. Let's do a quick Sheet Street haul. Got all my curtains from Sheet Street. This is a sheer curtain. Oh. This is a taped blockout curtain, also from Sheet Street. Another sheer curtain. Got another sheer curtain, but leya fana leya qala. I'm not sure I get measurements. I hope everything is gonna work out. And then we've got hangers. This is 10. They only had one. So yeah. Got these as well. 8 hooks for the curtains. And then my measurements is our popper now. This is a toilet brush holder.